Guys. Today is, well, same day for me, Tuesday for you. Yesterday we talked about the law of sines, where we said that we could determine a missing side length or a missing angle from a non-right triangle. Well, sometimes there could be a situation where the law of sines is not going to work for us. Let me give you an example. What if I have a triangle, and we'll call it ABC. And this time, let's say we have this angle is 63 degrees. We don't know the side length. Let's give this side 14, and this one, let's give it 19, just for kicks and giggles. So anyways, look what happens when I try to apply the law of sines. I would have sine of 63 is to x as the sine of b is to 19, right? b 19, they go together, and c and 14. We have a problem, Houston, a big problem. We have a problem because we're looking for x, but we don't know the sine of b. We don't know the sine of c. I have too many variables. I can't solve this. Not solvable with law of sines. But we do have something called the law of cosines that can help us out. So that's what we're going to talk about today, how to apply the law of cosines. Okay, so the law of cosines, when I write down these formulas, is going to look really, really complicated, but it's not if we think about it. So I'm just going to write the equation. I'm not going to solve it, but I'll show you what the law of sines, the law of cosines looks like for this example, and then I'll pull out the sheets that you have for your today's work. So the law of cosines goes, the side across from the angle we're given, that's x, if I square that, that's equal to the other two sides squared and added together. So squared and added together. Okay, so far it looks like Pythagorean theorem, right? Minus 2a, 2 times these two sides, sine the angle. That's what it is. That's called the law of cosines. And I can put all of this in my calculator. Maybe I'll just do it for right now. And then I'm going to pause the video so I can double check something. So I can say x squared, so x squared equals 14 squared plus 19 squared minus 2 times 14 times 19 sine. I wrote sine. I was supposed to write cosine. This is the law of cosines. Cosine 63. Okay, let's see what that is. So x squared is equal to this amount. X squared is equal to 315.4770541. But I need to find x. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take the square root of all that. Square root of that. And I get x is equal to 17.76, which we know when we round is 17.8. Okay? So I will be right back. Hang on.